If you're a helping professional who cares deeply about supporting change in individuals and in the world, and you're an ambitious soul here to really make a difference in your sphere of influence as well as the greater world, then join us and learn some of the simplest, most powerful, and effective ways to use somatic mindful guided imagery in your personal and professional work. I'm Gina Vance, and over the last 2 decades, the clients in my mind-body healing practice have helped me develop a simple, repeatable system for guiding yourself and others that has surprised me, my clients, and my colleagues with the sometimes miraculous results this system facilitates. Somatic mindful guided imagery is extremely gentle, yet very direct in how it gets you resourced and ready to resolve the root cause of any challenge. Join us to learn everything you need to know to start using SMGI immediately in this upcoming workshop. My primary work is with those I call pathfinders, those who are here to hone their unique path of genius and service, walk it well, and help others do the same. Leila Samrad is one of those pathfinders, serving clients at New Perspectives Center for Counseling in San Francisco. Listen next as she shares some of her experience with these tools.
These tools are so profound. I mean, they just go straight to the point. They get right to the heart of what is really happening without all of the thinking or trying to understand. Just boom, they're right there, and all this stuff is emerging. And yeah, so that alone would be enough reason. But then I think for me, like what I've gotten from using these tools with Gina has been that as I get better, my life gets better, and then I'm more available to my career, to my love life, to my friends, to all of my pursuits. And then because I'm really living my truth and my path, it feels like grace just kind of comes at me. Doors open, people show up. Suddenly all these clients are showing up for me. And, suddenly I am feeling whole during a breakup I'm going through in a way that I've never felt whole during a breakup that I've gone through before. And it's just amazing to me how much my life has opened and become richer and fuller. And I think that when I have that, then I'm really positively impacting my friends, my family, my community, and then those people are positively impacting those around them, and there's this beautiful ripple effect.
You can learn how to use somatic mindful guided imagery to take your work with your clients and your personal inner work beyond current limits with the elegant simplicity of SMGI. Join us and learn some of the simplest, most powerful and effective ways to use somatic mindful guided imagery in your personal and professional work.
If you're a therapist, this is such an incredibly unique technique, and I just don't think it's something I could have learned anywhere else or from anyone else. And just Gina's ability to hold space and witnessing that and seeing how she does that, if that were all you were to get out of it as a therapist, that would be enough. But then there are all these amazing tools, because poking around in our clients' brains is all very well and everything, but the fact is, what I've been noticing with my clients is that accessing those deeper feelings is something that people have a really hard time with. And I feel like Gina's tools, like if they know you're trying to help them access their feelings, all of their walls come up. And Gina's tools kind of sneak you in the back door, or you rappel down from the attic, or you pop up from the basement, and there are their feelings, and they're exposed, and they're okay. They make it through, and it's like, wow, this is like a very direct route. So I'm very excited myself to be able to understand the tools she's used on me that I've felt working in a way that I can use them as a psychotherapist. So I think that alone makes it massively valuable. And then when can we not use more tools? Because every one of my clients is so different, and what works for one person might not work for another. But I would be very surprised if there was anyone on which these tools would not work, because they're just so individual. They're so about the person. They just address that person very directly. It's not like a theory that may or may not really fit someone. This is personalized. So.
If you'd love simpler ways to get better results more quickly, join us in the upcoming immersive training in the art of somatic mindful guided imagery, where you will learn about, experience, and practice some of the simplest, most powerful, and effective ways to get profound results safely, gently, easily, and permanently for yourself and for those you serve.